recipes and ideas of things we can make at home. I come across some new potato, which is the purple potato. I did a research and I recognize it's really good for human being. It's good for your blood and it's good for your health, and also have a lot of benefit. You know, about 4 weeks ago, my friend gave me the new potato, and I said to myself, I'm gonna do a big test on it. And I said, this new potato is not from the local supermarket or the shop. This is coming from the farm itself. So it's fresh, nice, and you know what I mean, no chemical and all these things. So it's just good for you. All right, if you can get that one, please do so, because that's the best one to use. Don't use the one which have the chemical. That one doesn't good for you. You need to use the one natural one, which is coming from the farm, from the earth, with no chemical. That's the best one. So guys, give it a try, give it a go. As I say, I tried before and I use it to detox my body, and it's, you know what I mean, I see the difference on my body. So if you want to give it a go, give it a go. If it doesn't work for you, please try something else and see what's good for you. Follow me on Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, Google Plus me, and stay tuned. Don't go anywhere. We got a lot more recipe and a lot more ideas will be coming for you. One love from Chef Ricardo and the team, and I will see you again. Nice and love, guys, and welcome back with Chef Ricardo. You know what happened? I must say I did some research on purple potato, and when I did the research, it was like I said to myself, I need to share this with my fans. Basically, I want to say about 3 to 4 weeks ago, I get this purple potato from one of a good friend of mine. He gave me the purple potato, and he said to me, Chef Ricardo, this purple potato is only few he give me, and he said to me, don't take this lightly. This purple potato is really good for us, especially for your blood and for your health, and there's a lot more benefit towards purple potato, which, guys, I will put it in the description box on my YouTube channel for you guys to read and see exactly what purple potato is also good for. You know what happened? I had the purple potato about 3 to 4 weeks ago, and I put them inside of my food jar, not in the fridge, the food jar, because I said to myself, I want to see exactly what's going on. I got these about 4 weeks ago, and they're still fresh and nice. And I brought these about 3 to 4 days ago, and look, they start to spoil already. You see? They start to get spoiled already. These are the new white potato. Look at them. They start to spoil already. I only have this probably about 4 days now. I brought these. As you can see, they start to spoil. Look, start to grow. Let's put this one side, because we're not going to be using. I'm going to put these in the bin. Purple potato. Yes, you might have said, Chef Ricardo, I never see that before. Go on the internet, Google it, purple potato. The benefits of purple potato, what it's good for, and a lot more stuff. But I'm going to put some of my ingredients in it. I got even the Jamaican Cercy tea right here, the Jamaican Valley Cercy tea. I could put 1 pack of this in it also, but I'm going to introduce it to the Jamaican Valley Cercy tea. Let's put this one side. Purple potato. You might have said, Chef Ricardo, I never see that before. Come on, what is going on with you? You know what is going on with me? I have fans out there who love these things, one being doing like the natural things and the healthy side of things, because on every day we want to get up and eat chicken, beef, lamb, pork, eat this whole heap of greasy food and all these things. We have to take care of ourselves, and we have to take care of our body. Come across my friend, I said to him, he said to me, Chef Ricardo, you need to share with your fans and with this. And this is how it starts. Purple potato, guys, I love it. I love it. I have some more earlier, and I boil it and I drink it. So what I'm going to do is cut them up, and I'm going to put them inside of this pot right here. And that is not a lot of purple potato, it's just few of the purple potato. And I'm going to boil it off and show you exactly what I'm talking about. Alright? This is good for your blood. Purple potato is good for your blood, and it have a lot of benefit, and a whole heap of health benefit it have. Alright, so look at me now. So I'm gonna be boiling off these few purple potato. Then I have some ginger. I'm gonna put some ginger in it, bringing a lovely flavor also to it. So I'm gonna put a piece of a ginger. Lemon is a must. I'm gonna put some lemon because I love lemon. Alright. And I just put a clove of garlic inside of it because I love garlic. 1 clove of garlic. And what we're going to do, I'm going to be boiling down all of these ingredients. Just take a good look. You see that? We got purple potato, ginger, garlic and lemon. Not only that, I could put a Cersei tea. I'm gonna put this is the Jamaican Valley Cersei tea bag. I love Cersei tea, that's why I'm gonna put 1, 2 inside of it and boil it off also inside of it. This is from the Jamaican Valley Cersei tea. Alright, because for me, I love my Cersei tea, guys. I don't know about anyone else, but I love my Cersei tea. Then what I'm going to do, I'm gonna get a glass of water from the top and pour it in like that. And I'm going to boil it down and make the fans them see exactly. Look at that. You see that? That's exactly what I'm talking about right there. That is good for the blood, purify your body, detox your body, and also even can help you to lose weight. But I'm gonna give you some more tips and ideas as we goes along. Purple potato, good for us, and you have a lot of benefit. So now I'm gonna be boiling this for probably about 15 minutes on the stove. Alright guys, so as you can see, it start to like it wanna get boiling. So basically I just need to just boil off everything together. That's the purple potato. We got ginger, lemon, garlic, and the Jamaican Valley Cersei tea bag. Sell off. The only reason why I make this kind of recipe this time of the year, guys, is when the weather is changed, you have to change time with the weather, because honestly, when it start to get cold, it's gonna be amazing to know that you have to start drinking some natural stuff, you know what I mean, at home. Nice and lovely, guys. So basically I want to say this, you see, purple potato cook and the boil go right down, and that's exactly what I was looking for. The garlic boil out, everything boil out. You see, potato ready. I'm gonna turn off my stove and I'm going to strain it off now. Show you exactly what I'm talking about with this drink. This drink is a really good drink for all of the fans who want to lose weight and detox their body, and this is good for your bloodstream also. Alright, let's go to business with it now. So basically I'm going to strain it off. By adding all of the ingredients in like this. Look at that. That is beautiful and nice. So basically, as you can see right here, all I'm going to do is crush it and get all of the liquid out of it, and then that liquid is exactly what you're going to drink. Look at this, man. Oh my god, I can't believe that I definitely have to take a picture of this. This is fantastic, guys. As you can see, I like that. That is beautiful. I have to take a picture of that. That is fantastic. So basically, when you drink this one, the first thing I would say to you, drink this on an empty stomach, and you can cool it down and drink it the first thing in the morning. That's the best time for you to drink it also. So honestly, it's a very, very good drink. So what I'm going to do is just simple. Make sure the thing come out of it. You see? Nice one. If you want to, don't get me wrong, there's a lot more stuff you can also add to it. I will just put a little bit of molasses inside of it, because molasses is really good for you. That's a half teaspoon of molasses. If it doesn't have any molasses, don't need to stress yourself. You can use a little bit of honey if you like to, but I'm just giving you my recipe. Pour it in like this. It's gonna look a little bit funny. Less than a glass, look there. And look how much I use, 1 glass, and boil on everything. That's all I have left back. But give it a try, give it a go. As I say, it's really good for your blood. The purple potato is the best at the moment, and it's very good, healthy. And if you can get it to cook and make stuff at home with, please do also. And I'm just introducing you to my purple potato drink, which can help you to detox your body and even for your blood, cleanse your body and immune system. You can drink this the first thing in the morning or one at night when you go into your bed. If you want to cool it down, you can cool it down and drink it like a liquid drink also. And you can also put it in the fridge for it to chill. Whenever you want to do with it, guys, it's up to you. But I'm just sharing my recipe with you. I love you all, and thank you so much for watching Chef Ricardo Show. Got a lot more recipe and a lot more ideas. And hopefully we can come with the best and better recipe in the future. Thank you so much. And I will see you next time. Bye-bye. And this drink can last up to 3 days, the least. Alright? Thank you so much.